My people, this is Jigbo Man speaking. Right now, we are in the Universal Hotel in Enugu. The FUG of IMT is signing out this time. So we are here to show them the magic, which is Jigbo, Abacha Sharp Sharp.
Jigboman. And some of us don't know what in they call Jigbo because I call it in local language. This is where they see here in Jigbo, Abacha. That Abacha where you they cook for your school they eat. Now him be this thing where they for sachet. This thing don't be chin-chin. If you see for market, no be chin-chin. Abacha na here you they see. You don't see how I wear them for body? Now so it be. We don't prepare them here. And you chop on this side, make you see the test. I want show you now, waiting there inside. Make you know beside just talk. You don't see them? Now that's same Abacha where you dey chop, nothing dey different. But wetin dey different for this matter be say, we get one spices wey dey inside. This is where you see now. You get crayfish inside. You get obe inside. You get fish inside. That fish where them they call Ololawo Batanya, we they call am Mboche. This thing, all of them dey inside. So what you need to prepare this Jigbo, now just hot water and your oil, red oil. You go just prepare your own Jigbo.